Go catch up to them, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Whoa, sweetie pie. Yeah, they went into the woods, huh?
That side or that side?
That side, I believe. Yeah, there they are right there.
Hi.
Come on, you guys.
Good boy. Good girl.
Hello, and this is Bait, and here I am taking my dogs for a run. It's this little one's first time coming out. Isn't that right? Yes. Isn't she adorable? And over here we have her mom and her two brothers. You too scared to leave Mommy and Daddy's side?
Getting better.
Looks like they're sniffing something. Hey Sage, you want to say hello to the camera? Sweetheart. One of my feet went down in the snow.
Go get them.
She's too scared to go too far. You're just like Shaka when he was a little one. The other ones went up around there. Oh, here comes the Nook and Shaka now. Hey, come on you two! You guys gotta make some nice sled dogs.
Okay.
Shaka and the Nook's birthday are gonna be coming up soon. They'll be 1 year old. Sage, what are you doing over there? Are you enjoying yourself? Huh, Tiger? Yeah, they went really far, didn't they? Yeah.
Up. Up.
Shaka and the Nook, come!
Hey.
Sage, you too!
Hey.
They should be on their way back.
Hey.
Oh, my battery.
On, you guys.
It's almost dead. I don't know when I last changed them.
On. Hey. Hey.
Ah, just how far those three get to. Oh, no wonder it's that open area up that way. I
Hey.
really love playing in there. Ah, here they come back now.
Hey!
Wait. Ah, here comes Mommy.
Good girl. Oh,
And there they turn around.
no treat.
You guys smell something, huh? Or just digging in the snow? Oh, you guys sure do love digging, don't you? Oh, how my babies love to run. worry, Tiger. Someday you'll be able to stay caught up with them. Whoa!
Alright.
Slippery. Pretty bright today.
Yeah, very
Lots of light reflecting off the snow.